IDMA SAAS platform. It's a lead generation tool for any business looking for leads, or for any agency owners looking for leads. If you're looking to, meet new prospects or clients and actually make connections with real decision makers, this is the tool for you. It's absolutely free. Once you sign up with us, we'll also give you a Sales Navigator trial that you can use, because it works hand in hand with our software. And yeah, you can test it, you can play around with it, you can even make suggestions, right? So we've covered a couple of the features on here in our previous videos. So if you're not sure, you can go to the first video and then start watching it from there. We've covered the enrichment sector, we've covered the prospecting tool sector, the data extractor, the campaigns, as well as the website analysis, which shows you all the new businesses or domains that's being listed on the internet on a daily basis, and it gives you first preference to that information. So you're privy to that information before anyone else is, right? Guys, you will also find that some of the details that you find on here, it's going to be personal, or not too personal, but like, we have permission to get this data. We have acquired private database with loads of decision maker information, and it is part of our network. We have partnerships. We basically worked with Google, we've worked with Amazon, Coca-Cola, and a bunch of other big names as well, so you don't have to worry. Everything is legit. You don't have to worry about the POPI Act or anything like that. But now what we're going to be touching on is a chatbot functionality. So this is an awesome tool, because what will happen is you'll be able to create your own chatbot. Once more, you don't need to pay for any other tools. It's all built in. You can basically just make use of what we have free, use it for free, or if you decide to upgrade to one of our options, you'll then be able to pay one simple fee instead of paying for multiple services in order to make use of it. So our tools it is user friendly, it works hand in hand together. It is basically the ideal thing for those looking to find new prospects, do outreach, and basically convert new leads, right? So this is going to be the chatbot functionality, creating a new chatbot. Over here we have an example. Welcome to our website. Do you need someone to call you back? So you can basically set up your own chatbot. You can also set up your own automated responses. Let me quickly stick here, right? So let's just quickly see. This particular chatbot you can add to your website. You can add it to a page, a landing page. You can add it to basically anywhere you feel like, right? So it will just require for you to copy some code, and then you're good to go, and you can start collecting leads, right? You can customize the colors of the display, the position, create as many as you want, use pre-made scenarios for your market, capture leads and send data to email, SMS, and Slack, right? So let's quickly just jump into it. So I'm going to say start creating a new bot, right? I have the option of choosing the widget position where it will be displayed, the color. I can even choose a little icon, right? You can also open up or add your own avatar if you'd like. You can select what should be the heading for your chatbot, so when it displays what it should say, right? Let's see quickly. Okay, that's the embedded. Let's go over here. This is the link. Let's see. Okay, send a quick message. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna go select that color, choose green. I'm gonna choose this one over here. Connect with me, right? I'm just waiting for this to load, guys. I'm gonna say connect with me. So let's just quickly start over here. I'm gonna say statement. I can choose over here. So basically, let me just quickly just give you guys a rundown. So I wanted to just make sure. So once you've selected, you know, the where you want your widget to be or your chatbot to be, you can choose your color. You can choose your little display over there, right? You can then also add what it will state over here. Connect with me. Let me just waiting to load there, right? Once that once that is done, you can go to the script or the scenario. So over here, you can basically set up your chat flow sequence. So I can start with a statement, and you can edit the statement accordingly. I can select to add a new to select multiple choice questions or options, right? So you can add over here what options you'd like to give clients, or if you want to get, you know, simple information from clients, like let's just say text question, you can type in your question there. What does your business do? Right, so I'll say update, and then obviously you'll wait for the response, and then I can ask say another question or statement, or if I like to, I can actually put in the email, what's your phone number, when they would like to, you know, book a call. So let's just see quickly, let's give it a second, select the date. Okay, so it will basically allow for the person to select a date over there. You can also add, you know, add a particular link. So you can literally put a link in here and redirect them to any website or any link of your choice. So you'll add basically the link over there, the title and the actual link name. You can then just select new tab. Once that is done, it will then have that over there, right? So that's what it's going to be like. Let's just go here. So quickly to see here. Actually, test bot. Right. So this is, just need to say save changes. Once I've done that, we go here. And say trigger and put down the name. And say John or whichever name I want to. And what you also see is that it automatically saves, right? So let's say, let's see what it's going to look like. Sure, I want to show you guys so that you can have a look for yourself. Okay, let me just quickly refresh. Just giving it a second to load. So what, in order for in order for you to basically see this work, you're going to need to just copy the script over here. Once that is done, it will then be active, right? Actually, I wanted to show you guys now, but this is basically an example of what it will look like. So when someone, you know, comes onto the website or to the chatbot, this is what they'll basically see. So guys, this was just to show you what it will look like. You can play around with the tool, you can see what it looks like. This is one of the features on the platform itself. And once more, you don't have to go and copy, you don't have to go and code any chatbots. You can literally just create your own simply directly from the platform itself, right? So that is on the chatbots. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please view the previous ones if you want to get more information and details. We do appreciate your time, and if you like what you see and you know anyone that can find value from it, please do like and share it. Until the next video, thank you very much, guys.